Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow your followers to see which spaces you are listening to on the twitter.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should tap on the More button in the left side column of the screen. Click on Settings and Support, then tap on Settings and Privacy. After that you should tap on Privacy and Safety in the middle and then click on Spaces. Here you can allow your followers to see which spaces you are listening to. So even when this feature is turned off, you will be able to see everyone when you are in a space podcast, and your followers can always see what spaces you're hosting, co-hosting, or speaking in, as it says below. So tap onto this button in order to turn it on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.